So, dinner. Pero, tamad ako mag-cook. Kaya, maghanap na lang kami ng kung ano pwedeng magkain sa labas. Because, yeah.
In the morning.
A few hours or minutes ago. Yeah. The hour or minute.
It's been 2 hours since we got home from school.
Oh, I jumped. Oh, I fell.
Why?
Huh?
It's okay. Someone's you know, someone's taking a lip also.
This is quite awkward, Austin. There is a slow.
Okay, there. Let's go. She's going down to the basement. What is that smell? Smells bad. Yeah. I used to give her our plastic bottles and boxes.
And then? Why does she want it?
How pretty.
Yeah.
Because they sell it. Yes. They sell it. Are we gonna eat the food outside or are we gonna take out?
Take out.
Take out.
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
And guess what? Ariel has a dog. A puppy.
Really?
Her mother adopted it.
Really?
She's picking it up.
Really?
And I have a pet snapping turtle. It's so
Yeah.
cool.
Only pet alive.
Isn't it hard to get on the internet?
Hard to get on the
I
net.
mean, like you can find snapping turtles in China. Can you?
No, you find it almost everywhere, even in the mall.
I mean, yeah, but I still wanna pet.
So, doon kami bibili. Last 2 weeks ago, Chinese New Year, diba? So, Chinese New Year celebration. Like, wala talagang mabilhan.
Yung siopaw.
The vendors are back now. Careful, careful. No. So, what do you want to eat, ba? What will you buy? I think I also need to get a mommy's package. Forgot. Not that, diba? Because, diba there? Not the siopaw. So many food stalls there. Pass here.
The New Year.
Austin, where are you? Come.
Ano, di ba yung New Year over na?
Here. No. We will just, what do you want ba? What do you want to buy ba?
It's there, the other side.
Which one?
The other side?
The other side?
Yeah. But you can come here.
What will you buy?
You bought the one we had in the last month.
What is it?
It's like this octopus that you can for the boat. Just follow me.
Okay. A barbecue. Okay, wait, Ate, come. Ate, ikaw, ano gusto mo? Dito, sa gilid. Tindahan. Oh, that girl. That woman. Yeah. Okay, you choose which one you want. Hmm? Yeah, but I don't like anymore. Austin, what do you like? The octopus is there. Yeah, you. Get a tray, get a tray.
That one?
Yes. And then put the things. Put, okay. Here. Okay. Which one do you like?
Okay, open this.
Okay.
I'm picking all.
Okay, you finished the octopus. Oh my gosh.
The crab stick.
Okay.
Oh, the corn.
还要吗？
Ah.
那个还要吗？
还有。
还要。
Gusto mo pa?
Gusto.
Grabe naman yun, Tintin.
Ang sarap.
Ikaw?
Oh, yung corn niya. Meron yung corn.
Huwag na yung corn. Ito nito. Okay.
Hi.
Ha.
Austin, let's get two. Here.
Huwag na yung corn. Meron tayong corn sa bahay. Okay, okay. Ito. What's this? Neuro or sheep? Sheep.
这个是牛肉吗？
哎，猪肉， 猪肉
beef.
筋，这个是不是？
No, sheep.
不是很熟，我给你炸一下。
啊 no。
我给你炸一下，你不
No
要拿着跑。不是，他说他
Ha?
热一下，我有
Ah, you want pork?
对对对。
Okay, sige, if you want. Sige lang, if it's okay. Hello, shout out sa aming mga viewers na hindi ko makita because my eyes blurry. I cannot check properly.
And Austin, what do you want?
里面还有
Yeah.
虾。
Yes, that's it. That's it.
That's it? You don't like anymore? I think you need more chicken. You don't like the chicken there? Or this one here? Ate,
Finish.
don't ask for more na when we get back home, ah.
就这些吗？
Yeah, can I have fried rice?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we go there first. That's it.
After that is fried rice. Oh, I forgot the clothes. Yeah, I forgot the clothes.
It's Friday naman kasi. So,
That one
okay
is
lang.
broken, remember? There's only one and this one. Yeah.
Ito, ayaw mo ba?
还有别的吗？
Ito, I think you try this one, dalawa. Ito, this one. Chicken yan. Sama mo na, dalawa. Mamaya, no need na. This one. Sige. Okay. And, no more na? Okay.
还要别的吗？45。
Okay. Great. So we need to bayad. Oh. Wait.
45。
Okay. Ah,
我会。
微辣还是中辣？
微辣。I don't like that spicy. Because I
okay.
just ate the other one, diba?
Okay, bayad here. Scan and bayad. I'll pay. Okay, I'm giving ate a task to bayad. Tada! 45 renminbi. Okay. My... Right there. There you go.
I never see that.
Okay, I paid na. You show. Konti lang sila. Actually, madami sila dito before. Tapos doon kami bili sa kabila ng fried rice. And there's something I like. You just show her how la.
No. Just show her.
It's okay, after. Sit here first.
I sent you a task.
So we will not eat here. Sa ano na lang, uwi na lang namin sa bahay. Ayaw ng mga kids. Medyo malamig pa rin kasi. That's why sa bahay na lang kami kakain. Sa bahay na lang natin kakainin.
Yeah, is that your new eyeglasses?
I just bought it from Taobao because my reading glasses is already broken. Taobao ba?
Yung aso.
Saan? It's really just a reading glass. So, diba, pagka tinatamad magluto, ito yung takbuhan. Kasi, syempre, minsan, kakatamad naman talaga magluto din. At saka, masakit ang ulo ko, isipin ko ano yung menu of the day or the night. Ang suki namin sa kabila. We are so happy they're back after the long Chinese holiday break. Dati tinatamad kayo magluto ng mga Chinese holiday break. Wala kaming mabila na malapit.
这业务都做到国外去了，别打岔，中国网友。问你呢，什么是天地营？哎呀，是咋跟你们解释呢？迷信都是封建迷信，还不承认。我家有个人烧了一阵你家那个祖先钱，结果中彩票了，赵娥，绝对是巧合。我家也有一个人。
Pero hindi naman lagi kasi syempre it's not good. Sometimes po, pag may maisip akong recipe, magluluto ako. Pero pagka tinatamad talaga at wala. Dito sa labas, bibili. Magbibili pa ba kayo ng fried rice? Oh yeah, he said he wants fried rice. Almost finished na. And then when you finish na, you just show her, chega hawla ha. You just tell her, Tito, may ano. Mamaya ka na kasi mag-watch. Bakit ba kasi, Tintin? This one. Oh, there na, finish na. Austin, get out from Facebook. Sige, hala ha. Shasha, bye-bye. Let's go. Here. Don't pass there. It's so difficult there. Ano ba yan? Dito. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Yeah. Sana yung ano mo, sana yung friend mong ano, fried rice.
Hello? Kung isang barbecue lang.
Wala na siya, ha?
Bakit?
Hindi ba siya yun?
Hindi? Fried rice daw?
Siya yun, Tintin, di ba?
Is that him? Oh, that's not a fried rice.
That's not him?
Yes, I've done yours to fried rice.
Yeah, but where is that guy that you've been buying fried rice from? He's not here. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oh, siya. Sorry. Thank you. Oh, siya. Oh my gosh. Nakalimutan pa ang salamin. Oh my gosh. Wala siya, Tintin. So, what will you buy? Wala yung fried rice friend niya. Doon ka na lang sa Tintin, doon sa katabi niya. Nagtitinda yun ng fried rice. No onigiri. Ate, tingnan mo nga kung magbebenta siya nung nung gusto ko.
The butter has its little hand.
Yung with egg.
The butter has its little hand. Hey, why you do that? Put it back. That's what I call littering. That's a top. Sorry, my bad.
Ate, wala yun, no. Wala sila. Bakit? Mio.
Okay, so we go home, yeah.
This one. Diba I like that? And the one with the egg, diba? You can ask. You can make. What is it called nga? Ano nga yun? Ano nga tawag doon? Ha?
No.
Juchay?
Yo,
Juchay? Juchay? You ask if meron.
Yo. No.
Yung pa itong aking translator is mahiyain.
Wala.
Yeah. By four. Because tomorrow no. For breakfast.
I'm the only one who helped. Meron lang yung
Juchay lang.
Meron dalawa.
Dalawa lang? Okay, sige. Sige. Sige.
Because he,
We ran out already? Oh, okay.
He must like the Jotai, right? And the Jotai.
How you ask how much then?
I already did that once and I
Ate.
did it twice. Another one.
How much?
韭菜的只有2个了，
可以，
炒2个吧。
可以。
Uh-huh. How much?
两个多少钱
2个10块钱。
？10。
10? You ask first. Check that. Correct, ma.
Talaga?
Okay. Hala ha.
好的。
Oh, I hate that noise when it comes to it.
There, the fried rice there, Tintin. This lady here. Fried rice. They sell fried rice. Last time we bought fried rice there also.
That's the
No, you said it's good. Yes. You also said it's good.
I go for that. That's it.
You try first. You buy one and then you try if it's good.
Okay.
There's no rice at home. What will you eat? This cannot just make you full.
It can.
Ah?
Can.
Anong it can? It can.
It make me full.
I will try the fried rice.
Okay.
Ate, you go. Buy fried rice. Just one lang there. Doon sa may, sa may katabi ng binila natin, di ba, earlier? Go check. You just try one order.
Wait, first got pass me or maybe not.
You wait here for the ano. Okay, you wait here because me and Dawson will buy because you don't want to help us. Ating mo ano.
Can you buy two?
Okay, you go. Tell her. Mayo chow pan.
是什么？
chow pan?
炒饭，
啊哈。chow pan 2个。
2个，
啊哈。
哎，蛮标准的，蛮标准的，一听就听出来了。要不要辣椒炒饭？
不要啦，不要。 How much?
I don't know.
How much? The show.
16.
Okay, 谢谢。
大句。
好啦。谢谢。Okay, we sit first. Nakakatawa naman sila. Natutuwa din siguro sila sa amin. Austin, watch for our I will get back to ate because mamaya hindi niya alam mag-cross ng road. Okay? Please be careful, okay? I'll leave that to you first. Watch ate, just stop moving the table.
Now it's time to pop the new and improved mask on the body, and man, this looks so sick. Something about painting like made this guy actually look like it. By far the best part of this mod is now when you look at battle images, you can only see one of his eyes. I don't know if I'm tripping, but to me that just makes it look so much more badass. Now I think it's actually time to pop this improved invincible figure into my display and see how he looks. And I can't lie,
People are saying Jim Carrey got cloned because he showed up to an award show. The first thing he said during the interview was this.
guys, today we're reviewing Mr. Fantastic, but without Invisible Woman. As you all know from my video yesterday, I cannot find Invisible Woman, so now I'm just stuck with the Fantastic 3 because she's sold out everywhere. And on top of that, you guys are rage baiting in my comments talking about she's literally invisible. She's clearly using her powers right now. Who is the Joker 3? Let me stop before you guys make me crash out. Today we're reviewing Mr. Anxiety. Let's go hit the big one. After heading to the marker, we start the setup, and I went with the obvious approach. A few more prep markers.
You're suing me for eating the kitty cats on my block.
Sorry.
I've been taking care of them for years. Started receiving these fights.
Do these cats belong to you?
They don't. They're feral cats. I've been feeding and caring for them for several years. I would bring the cats in to get spayed, make sure that they were up on their vaccines and stuff.
You're using your own money to pay for the cats to be spayed and neutered, is that?
Yes, it's not cheap. I love animals. These guys didn't ask to be born in. My money to take care of the cats and pay my bills, so I was going to ask for either a payment plan or maybe even just a little reduction.
I am not going to grant you a reduction. I'm sorry. But what I can do, I can dismiss the $1,100 fine that you're asking for. Go, girl.
They're so...
Three deadliest stunts of all time. In 1923, Harold Lloyd actually climbed up a building without any safety wires, because at that time there was no software to remove wires and edit. Second, this famous Buster Keaton stunt looks easy, but the house that fell on him was 3,000 pounds in weight, and the window was cut just 2 inches wide to his shoulder. And number one, this scene was as real as it looks. Jackie Chan did it without any safety, no VFX, nothing. And this stunt burned off his hands, dislocated pelvis, and yes, he did feel all these electric shocks.
I just want to know you. I'm not a Superman.
Three deadliest stunts of all time. In 1923, Harold Lloyd actually climbed up a building without any safety wires, because at that time there was no software to remove wires and edit. Second, this famous Buster Keaton stunt looks easy, but the house that fell on him was 3,000 pounds in weight, and the window was cut just 2 inches wide to his shoulder. And number one, this scene was as real as it looks. Jackie Chan did it without any safety, no VFX, nothing. And this stunt burned off his hands, dislocated pelvis, and yes, he did feel all these electric shocks.
I just want to know you. I'm not a Superman.
Three deadliest.
I was getting my teeth fixed today because last week I tried one of those Bang energy drinks that all those TikTokers promote, and it tasted like urine and it made my teeth fall out. Anyways, as I was sitting there, I accidentally popped out the ushy gushy thing that was sitting at the back of my throat, and it fell on the floor. So I picked it up off the ground and popped back in without wiping it off or anything. But then when I got home, I felt something sharp in my mouth and noticed I had a fingernail glued to my tooth, and I flipped my shit. I was so grossed out.
Which one? Okay, we'll go home na. We're already finished buying food. The pod stalls here.
Yeah, I jumped.
Oh my gosh, I need to get a package. Can you take this? And then give me the phone and help out first because I still need to get mommy's package. Get your barbecue. Okay, I'll check the package. Are you gonna wait there lang for me?
Oh, I have blue hair.
Okay, you wait there for me. Okay, no. Don't go anywhere else. I'll just wait, okay? Bye-bye.